Today's recipe is another awesome summer drink, sunrise mocktail. This two-toned lovely drink is a thirst quencher and excellent for summer months. Here I've used cranberry and mango juice. You can use any combination of your choice. For this, in a serving glass, take 1 tablespoon of ginger juice, juice of 1 lemon, half a cup of mango juice. You could also substitute with orange juice. Add ice cubes as required. Give everything a good mix. Take 1 cup of cranberry juice, pour little by little over a spoon so that it does not mix entirely with the mango juice. Cranberry juice can also be substituted with pomegranate juice. You can use any combination of your choice. Lastly, top the glass with soaked Sabja or Basil seeds. Your sunrise mocktail is ready to drink. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.